Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Bowman Lodge and Convention Center here in Bowman, North Dakota. We got a notice here, do
I need to say it again because that guy started that thing. With the Bowman what?
Bowman, North Dakota. Anyway, let's go up to 2. It is officially a Hydrofit. Call recognition too. Let's wait for the door to close.
Okay.
Because there's no door close button right here. That indicator though, that's cool. There's an arrow. This is a really nice elevator. Oddly installed in like 2015-ish. And yes. Put as a fact, this is my first elevator video outside of Fargo in North Dakota. So yeah, that's a pretty nice elevator.
Go to the bathroom.
Look at this beautiful lobby though. I know, right? Buffalo, you got anything else to say? Well, I guess that's gonna be it for me.